Through investments like Retour Matras, recycling capacity is being built up to help ensure materials at the end of their use can be recycled into new materials again and again. Recycling mattresses is one step of this journey. Every year, millions of mattresses are disposed of, and in Europe, more than 85% go into either landfills or simply being burned. But at least 80% of a mattress's material can be recovered, saving 76 kilograms of CO2 emissions per mattress compared to burning it.
We already have material from Retour Matras coming back in the value chain in 31 product families in 40 IKEA markets. And the dream for us is actually to make sure we can take back every mattress in Europe.
To enable more recycling of mattresses, we need to create the right preconditions, which includes disincentivize incineration when it is possible to recycle, harmonize and modernize extended producer responsibility schemes, make it easier to ship mattresses across borders for recycling,